Hi, I'm Mike Hetman, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Tuesday, February 19th, 2008. The dollar-yen pair fell around 100 pips overnight as fresh concerns about credit markets pushed up the value of funding currencies in carry trade. Also, the Japanese currency benefited from acting as a proxy to the Chinese yuan, as China's CPI climbed 7.1% year over year. Such high inflation will force the People's Bank of China to raise rates, driving up the value of the yuan. The pair retested Friday's support near 107.30, then bounced back during New York trading. U.S. stock markets opened up well following Monday's holiday. There was a second round of selling, though it came short of reaching the earlier session low. The pound-yen saw a 250 pip swing from its session high to its session low. After yesterday's news that the British government will nationalize Northern Rock, today saw the pound pressured by the news that the third largest bank, Barclays, saw its second-half profits slip 21%. From its overnight high, the pair fell 250 pips before recovering in New York trading to half that amount. The Aussie dollar pair pushed higher overnight and is one of the best performing pairs so far this week. Last evening's meeting minutes for February 4th showed policymakers had weighed an increase of 50 basis points compared to the quarter-point increase they settled on. The Aussie has climbed 270 pips over the last 5 sessions, after hitting a low last week near 0.8950. Traders are buying Australian dollars on speculation that the bank will raise rates above its current level of 7%. The euro dollar has also been gaining on the expectations for the interest rate outlook. The pair had its strongest session this month on speculation that the Fed will have to lower rates again, while the ECB may be inclined to continue to hold rates steady. The governor of the Bank of France said there is cause for optimism about economic growth in the euro region. In the U.S., the measure of housing market showed improvement. The National Association of Home Builders Index increased to 20, as traffic of prospective buyers through model homes improved considerably. Canada's monthly CPI decreased in January, and annual CPI cooled to 2.2%, the slowest pace since last August. The annual core measure has been steadily declining since October. This month it slowed to 1.4%. Also in Canada, wholesale sales reported a sharp decline of 2.9% during December, with sales falling to their lowest level since November 2006. The decline was the largest since April and snapped 3 consecutive monthly increases. The U.S. dollar-Canadian dollar pair reacted to the lower inflation and poorer sales with a large move in favor of the greenback. The pair swung more than 100 pips from its low. Including Friday, the pair has jumped more than 200 pips from support near 0.9950. Tonight, Australia will reveal data on wages and its leading index. Both the Bank of Japan and the Bank of England will release their meeting minutes. Meanwhile, Germany will unveil its producer price index. The U.S. docket will include consumer prices, housing starts, building permits, and later the FOMC meeting minutes. Canada will post its international transactions and its leading index. And this completes today's Forex news. For CMS Forex, I'm Mike Hetman, and happy trading.